What's up, YouTube? A short video here. This is just a gentle way to help get some earwax out of your ears, or at least sort of begin the process, soften things up and get things moving. It's these two things. I'll put links down below for everything. First are these eardrops, carbamide peroxide. This is a great deal. It's 2 bottles, so it's gonna last you quite a long time. Individual dropper bottles, they come sealed, obviously. You can pause this and read the full directions, but you basically tilt your head or lay on your side and you put a few drops in your ear and it'll sort of fizz and begin to soften up some of the earwax. They say twice daily for up to 4 days. If you have any other, questions or concerns, talk to your doctor, but give this a shot and then let this work a little bit in your ears. And then you can gently use an ear syringe, or it's also called a bulb syringe. Latex free, super cheap. You can pause this and read the directions. Just be nice and gentle and safe on your ears. Take, clean, warm water. Irrigate the ear over the sink or over a bowl, and then you'll see sort of what comes out, and hopefully that'll do you. If you sort of get in a routine of doing this every so often, just depending on how your ears are, it may help to sort of prevent those like full-on buildups of like walls of wax, or where like you get a big enough ball of wax that actually sits on like against your eardrum and you have trouble hearing. So just something to consider, and really easy to do, gentle. You can use these for other things. You can use this for your nose and your mouth. It's just a tool at the end of the day. So they're about that big usually. Give them a good rinse from the factory. Sitting here and playing with it, I also realized it's also good as like a bellows. You could clear out little bits of dust or something from something you're working on. Like, it's kind of nifty. It's kind of probably a good thing to have around. Multi-purpose. I don't know. If you have any like clever uses for bulb syringe, leave a comment, let me know. I'm always interested in tool stuff. Hope that helps. There's no need to really go name brand. Save a little bit of money and stay safe, stay healthy. Wishing you the best. Thanks for watching. See ya.